Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Anne and I want to wish you all an incredible 2019. I think this is my first video after 2018, so yeah, I just want to wish you all an amazing year. Also, I want to say thank you for all the support you all have given me through this year. It truly means a lot to me. Also, last year we hit 1 million subscribers, which is amazing. I still can't believe it, and it's all thanks to you guys for believing in me. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So I thought it would be cool for like my first video in 2019 to start with an in-depth eyeliner tutorial, because probably this year I will be doing a lot of looks where I use eyeliner, and I think it's cool to kind of show you how I'm doing my eyeliner at this moment. Also, I got this really good eyeliner from Benefit in the mail last week. I used it for the first time on New Year's Eve. I actually wanted to wait like with using it and show it in a video, but I couldn't wait with trying it. And I was shocked at how good it is. And this is how it looks. This is the packaging where it comes in. And then this is the eyeliner. It's like a precise liquid liner pen. And I used it on New Year's Eve and I was shocked at how good it is. It's super black, really easy to use. I don't think I've ever done my eyeliner this quickly with this eyeliner, so I really wanted to do a video showing how I do my eyeliner. And yeah, I'm just going to show you how I did this, so let's get started. So like I said in my intro, today I will be playing with the roller liner from Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm going to start with creating a simple line all the way above my lash line. So as you can see, I have already applied eyeshadow, and today I went for a liquid eyeshadow. I wanted to see if the liquid eyeliner would really apply well on top of a eyeshadow like this. So I have already used this eyeliner before New Year's Eve, and then I used like a lot of matte eyeshadows. But I felt like for today's video I really wanted to put this eyeliner to the test to see if it would work like on a liquid kind of product. And I can say right now that it really worked, so that's really nice. But I just felt like I can go like the easy way and use it on top of matte eyeshadows, or I can really put it to the test. So I just wanted to let you guys know that it did work on this eyeshadow, so that's really cool, because sometimes liquid liners stop working if you apply it on top of a shimmery eyeshadow or like a creamy product. It gets like stuck in the liquid liner and it kind of dries, and that will kind of ruin your liquid liner. But with this liquid liner didn't happen, so that's really good. So now I started creating a line like next to my eyelid, and somehow my hand is blocking this. Really annoying, but don't worry, I'm going to stop with blocking with my hand within a few seconds, so don't worry. So I just created like a simple line, as you can see me doing right now, and this is going to be like the winged end of my wing, if that makes sense. And this was really easy, and I'm not sure if you can see it really well, but the eyeliner is just really black and I really love that. So as you can see me doing right now, I'm trying to connect the eyelid with the winged ends. And I always do this a little bit strange, like back in the days I used to do this differently, but now I just create a line and I try to connect it, and then I go over the lines to really make like the outer ends really look smooth. It's kind of hard to explain, but you can see me doing it, so hopefully in any way this will be helpful. But I have slightly hooded eyes, so I always make sure that when I open my eyes, like the start of my crease doesn't like touch any of the wing. So I always apply my wing a little bit like lower, if that makes sense, so my hooded eye doesn't like ruin the wing, because sometimes if you put it too high it kind of starts ruining your wing, if that makes sense. Yeah, I really feel like I'm talking really weird right now, but I really hope that makes sense. So now I use the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm applying this right underneath the winged end. I always do this in every video. I'm not always showing it, but whenever I do a winged liner I always use a little bit of concealer just to make it look even sharper. I feel like no matter what eyeliner you use, this will always make a huge difference. It just cleans it up, it makes it look really sharp and clean. I really love to do this, and I think it doesn't really matter what eyeliner eyeliner. It doesn't really matter what concealer you use can use any concealer that you like. I think the best way is to use a concealer which is a little bit more to the medium to full coverage. But overall, I think you can use any concealer that you have. So then I used my finger to blend it out, and then I applied some fake eyelashes, and then here you can see the end result. And then this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. I really hope it was helpful. I don't think I'm doing my eyeliner like completely different than how I did it in my previous video, but this was quite a highly requested video, so I thought why not do a updated eyeliner tutorial. And also I really enjoy using this eyeliner. I really wanted to show you guys like how good it is, so this was like the perfect opportunity to show. Also, if you're curious like what products I used on my eyes, I will be posting a tutorial on the eye makeup as well, I think this upcoming week, so stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!